Now it's time to tell you my secret to creating high-converting video promotions in minutes. No design skill, no confusing software, and absolutely no waste of time. All you need, only Microsoft PowerPoint, and all done in minutes. Proudly present Promovidz. With these templates, you can easily create better and more engaging promotional video and graphic for any needs. Is that possible? Why not? Let me show you these possibilities in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose. Choose hundreds ready-to-use PowerPoint templates from Promovidz according to your tastes and needs. Step 2. Customize. Click, edit, and replace your image, video using your chosen template. Step 3. Produce. Save into MP4, PNG, or another format in minutes. Promovidz gives you everything from A to Z to make your high-converting promotions video and graphic. Let me show you all exclusive module inside Promovidz. High-converting promotions video templates. New style social media promotions templates in 2 ratio. Call to action promotions video templates. YouTube end screen promotions video templates. Doesn't stop there! You also get static promotions marketing kit concept in many niche. In one concept, you will get flyer, Facebook cover, Twitter cover, YouTube cover and thumbnail, Instagram post and stories, Instagram grid templates. Wow, that's amazing, right? Say goodbye to the hustle. With just a small budget, now you can create your own high-converting, unique, and premium promotions video and graphic easily in minutes. So what are you waiting for? Get Promovidz today with special 75% launch discount. That's a crazy bargain!